Hi everyone, and welcome. I'm Josh. I'm your attic insulator. Today I want to share with you a funny story, but at the same time it's a little bit scary as well. So one day I was going into the attic, and you know how you need obviously a lot of light to see what you're doing, because sometimes you can't necessarily carry a light around. It's very cramped in there. So I usually use a rechargeable headlamp or even battery powered. Now for those that have already done something like that or trying to do it on their own, one day the attic was, it was a cellulose job, so right off the bat, the visibility while you're installing the material is even less. So I'm at the other end of the attic. I have to crawl through a section that's about 4 feet wide, and it's about 12 feet deep. And then it sort of cuts in, and there's a drop section. So I was down at the other end, and I couldn't necessarily see the attic hatch from where I was. All of a sudden, of course, my headlamp quits. So I'm in complete darkness. The other job that I had there, the floodlight quit on me, so that's where you can't really see where I'm going and you just see glimpses of me working around. That just kind of gives you an idea as how dark it is in the attic if your light quits. Thankfully, I have a lot of experience, and I'm able to feel the trusses and slowly work my way back towards the attic hatch. I had to visualize what the attic looked like. So that's just another emphasis on how important it is to understand the structure of your attic, so the layout and the framing around it, so that you can move around, you can understand where you can put pressure, so that once again, I say it often in my videos, but so that you don't fall through the ceiling. I was able to work my way back towards the attic hatch and then get my other frontal headlamp and continue forward. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. Make sure that you've got a spare all the time if you're working up in the attic doing this on your own, and that you also have a cell phone, because of course that was the other thing. I forgot my cell phone, and so I couldn't contact my partner while I was up there, so I was forced to crawl back towards the attic hatch, and my partner had no clue what was going on. Anyway, wanted to, like I said, wanted to share that with you, and we'll see you on the next video. Leave a comment down below as to what you would like to see for attics. I do about 3 to 4 attics per day, and so I see all kinds of attics. So make sure they also hit that thumbs up for me. It helps out the channel, and subscribe as well. I'll see you on the next video on Tuesday.